Get busy solving your problems, solving problems so demanding that you have no time to worry about anything else. You see, when you lose yourself in action, you will not have the time to worry. You have to work so hard that you're exhausted by the end of the day. There's a really powerful and touching story from Dale Carnegie's class of this man named Michael. Michael had lost his 5-year-old daughter, and then 10 months later, he lost his newly born baby. And Michael could not take it anymore. He went to doctors, and the doctors were helpless. They gave him sleeping pills to relax his mind, but they were running out of options to get him to calm down. But there was one thing that Michael still had. He had a 4-year-old son. And one day, Michael's son insisted on helping him build a toy boat. Michael said no, he had no interest in that. He was still down on himself, but his son kept on insisting. So Michael finally gave in reluctantly. He worked with his son for 3 hours to build the toy boat, and those 3 hours were the most peaceful 3 hours he had had in a very long time. And that is when he had a major realization that being busy had cured his worry for the time. And the next day he went around the house making a list of everything that needed to be done, 242 things in total. And he attended to those 242 things over the next few months. And that is how he totally stopped worrying. So why does this work? Well, there is a simple law of human mind. It is not possible to think about two things at the same time. Try this experiment right now. Think of a pink elephant, and now also think about your biggest goal for this year. You see, what you'll find is that you just cannot think of both of them at the same time, and that is the key. When you get busy, you stop worrying about your problems. A reporter once asked Winston Churchill, "Are you worried about the war and the responsibilities you have?" Winston Churchill said, "No, I'm too busy. I have no time for worry." And that is the key to curing yourself of worry.